Good morning, good student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So student, today date is 8 10 2020. I am teaching you chapter number 16 and name of the chapter is Weather and Seasons. So student, at the time when you are watching the video, please take out your rough copy and one pencil with you and note down the important points what I am writing on the board, and all of you open your EVS book, page number 85, page number 85. Okay, and you can also underline the important things in your book also. You can underline the important things in your book also. So student, let revise what we have done in our previous video. Then in today video I will explain you summer season. So I have already explained you about winter season also and spring season also. In winter season the climate is very cold. Okay, so these two seasons I have already discussed with you. So let revise about spring season. So student, now the question arises, when the spring season comes, so after a winter season there is a small period, short, or you can say a short season. After a winter there is a short season, and this season is known as what? This season is known as spring season. Okay, so and in which month it comes? It comes in the month of March. It comes in the month of March. And what was the specialty of this season, that is spring season? At the time of spring season the weather is not very cold and nor it is very hot. Okay, स्प्रिंग सीजन की स्पेशलिटी क्या है बेटा? इस समय ना तो ज्यादा ठंडा होता है और ना तो ज्यादा गर्मी होती है. इज इट क्लियर? एंड दिस सीजन इज आल्सो फेमस फॉर द फेस्टिवल्स लाइक बसंत पंचमी. In this festival what we do? We worship goddess Saraswati, and the most important festivals of Hindus, that is Holi. It is also celebrated in the spring season. It is also celebrated in the spring season. And student, another thing is that you will see lot of flowers. You will see lot of flowers in the garden in spring season. So these are the things which we have study in the spring season, and the length of day and night is equal. Okay, in winter what happens? In winter we observe that the days are shorter. Shorter means small हो जाते हैं, ठीक है, एंड द नाइट्स आर लॉन्गर, क्योंकि विंटर में क्या होता है, आफ्टर 5 इट बिकम डार्क. ओके, दैट इज द रीजन वी से days are smaller and the nights are longer. So student, today let discuss about the summer season. Summer season. So what type of season is summer, student? Summer is the hottest season of the year. When I start explaining you about the season, then I divided these season into 5 parts. Okay, winter season, spring season, summer season, autumn season. Okay, so at that time, and one rainy season, or you can say monsoon season. So when we divide the year into 5 seasons, out of these 5 seasons, this is the hottest season, which? Summer season. So you can note down summer so maybe it can ask in the one word also, how many seasons are there? Your answer is 5. There are 5 seasons. Out of 5 seasons, which is the hottest season of the year? Then what is the answer? Summer season is the hottest season of the year. And it begins from which month and it continues till which month? So it begins in the month of अप्रैल, क्योंकि बेटा इससे पहले कौन सीजन था? समर सीजन कम्स आफ्टर विच सीजन? स्प्रिंग सीजन. Is it clear? Winter, after winter which season comes? That is your spring season. Now after spring season which season come? That is your summer season. And in spring season the weather is very good. It is not very cold or not very hot. Is it clear? So when it begins so it begins in April, and up to which month it continues? June. It begins in April and it continues till June. Is it clear? So next, at this time, in this season, I have already explained you summer is the hottest season of the year. So at this time, at the time of winter, wind is cold. That is the reason we close our windows, so that the cold air do not enter inside our house. Even in to keep our houses warm, we are using what? Room heaters, or we are burning wood also. So many things we are doing in winter season. But in summer, it is the hottest season of the year, and it begins in the month of April, and when up to which month it continues? It continues up to June. So at this time the air is very warm. इज इट क्लियर? इस समय एयर क्या होती है? बहुत वार्म होती है. एंड दिस वार्म एयर इज आल्सो नोन एज लू. And in winter, the day are smaller, nights are larger. Now what happen in the summer? The days become longer and the night become smaller. ठीक है? The days are long and the night ठीक है? The days are long and the nights are shorter. And the nights are short. So this happened in this, and a very warm air blow at the time of summer season, and this air is known as loo. A hot wind called it loo. ठीक है? So a hot wind called it loo blow, and in which part? In the northern parts of the country. ठीक है? बनारस में हम लोग रह रहे हैं ना, ये जो हमारा यूपी है, ये नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स में आता है. इज इट क्लियर? ये किस में आता है? ये नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स में हम लोग रहते हैं, और यहाँ क्या है? गर्मी ज़्यादा होती है. इज इट क्लियर? हॉट होता है. यहाँ का क्लाइमेट कैसा है? हॉट. अभी क्लाइमेट किसको बोलते हैं? आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एक्सप्लेन different types of a season. Weather I already explained you. Season I am explaining, and after that we will also discuss what is the meaning of the word climate. So a hot wind called it loo blows in the northern part of country, making people stay indoors in the afternoon. So जिस तरह बेटा विंटर में when the cold wind blows, what happen? Peoples are inside their houses to keep themselves safe from this cold wind. In the same manner, when the warm air or hot wind, which is known as loo, blows in a summer season, then at the time of a afternoon the people stay in their houses. ठीक है, आफ्टरनून के समय इतनी ज़्यादा हॉट एयर होती है और ये हॉट एयर से भी हम बीमार हो जाते हैं। ठीक है, इससे भी हम बीमार हो जाते हैं। सो स्पेशली व्हाट प्रिकॉशन वी टेक एट द टाइम ऑफ समर सीजन, at the time of summer season, at the time or especially in the afternoon time, we stay inside our houses. We stay inside our houses in the afternoon time in summer season. ये तो हो गया। नाउ स्टूडेंट, ये तो हमने डिस्कस कर लिया ऑल द पॉइंट्स वी हैव डिस्कस अबाउट द समर सीजन। तो what I teach you, let do little recapitulation. These things are all about the summer season. देखो, seasons, when the season changes, then our eating habits also change, the clothes we wear, that also change. So firstly we have only discussed what is a summer season. So little recapitulation of this, we do it, and then next point we will discuss. See, summer season, what is summer season? Summer season is the hottest season. There are 5 seasons: winter, spring, summer, after that rainy season, or you can also say monsoon season. Then next is a autumn. Is it clear? So these are the 5 seasons. These are the 5 seasons. Okay, winter, spring, summer season, then what comes here after that? Autumn season. So these are the 5 different season. So what is this? Summer is the hottest season of the year. It begins in April. It can be asked in the examination when the summer season begins. It begins in the month of April and it continues up to which month? That is June. And what happen in summer? The days are long and the nights are short. दिन बड़े हो जाते हैं, रातें क्या हो जाती हैं? छोटी हो जाती हैं. Okay, next thing what we discuss about summer is a hot wind called loo blow. So especially at the time of a afternoon, people stay in their home. They do not come outside the houses due to this hot air which is known as loo. Is it clear? Now turn to page number 86. Now turn to page number 86. People enjoy cold drinks. Now I have already discussed with you, due to change in the season, our eating habits also change, and even the clothes which we wear, that also change due to the season. So Now see, summer season. Now we will discuss eating habits. Eating habits. So, as you know, in summer season, we enjoy to drink lot of cold drinks because the climate is very hot. So, people enjoy cold drinks like lemonade. What does it mean? लेमन मीन्स नींबू होता है, ठीक है। नींबू का शरबत आप पानी में मिला के पीते हो ना, तो वो जो नींबू का शरबत होता है उसी को हम लोग लेमनेड बोलते हैं। इज इट क्लियर? सो पीपल एंजॉय कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स लाइक लेमनेड, आइसक्रीम एंड फ्रूट सच एज आइसक्रीम। इन स्पेशली देखो विंटर आती है तो पेरेंट्स भी आप लोग को सजेस्ट करते हैं डोंट दिस टाइम स्टॉप ईटिंग आइसक्रीम इन द विंटर सीजन, क्योंकि क्या आइसक्रीम क्या होती है, ठंडी होती है ना। तो लेकिन स्पेशली इन अ समर सीजन वी लव टू ईट आइसक्रीम। समर सीजन में हमें आइसक्रीम खाने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है। आप सब भी खाते हो आइसक्रीम कि नहीं? अच्छा खाते होंगे, वहीं से बोलेंगे। सो एंड वी ईट फ्रूट्स, फ्रूट्स में सच एज वाटरमेलन, ठीक है, लीचीज है, मैंगोज है, प्लम्स एक्स्ट्रा। सो दीज टाइप्स ऑफ फ्रूट्स वी आर ईटिंग। और इन फ्रूट्स में वाटर की परसेंटेज बहुत होती है, स्पेशली वाटरमेलन में तो बहुत ज़्यादा होती है, क्योंकि इतनी ज़्यादा हीट होता है ना। आपने कभी देखा है व्हेन इन द टाइम ऑफ ए समर हमें बहुत ज़्यादा स्वेट होता है। सो व्हाट वाई सो वाई so much sweat in the summer season? It happens because when the water comes out from our body in the form of a sweat, so it makes our body cool, ठीक है। हमारे बॉडी के टेम्परेचर को मेंटेन करने के लिए द वाटर कम्स आउट ऑफ द बॉडी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए स्वेट, ठीक है। पसीना होना, पसीना होने को इंग्लिश में स्वेट बोलते हैं। इज इट क्लियर? सो स्टूडेंट एंड चिल्ड्रन इंजॉय स्विमिंग। अब आपको विंटर में कोई बोले कि चलो आपको स्विमिंग सिखाते हैं, आप नहीं जाओगे, ओके। बट देखो अब तो इन समर समर हॉलीडेज में बहुत से बच्चे वाटर पार्क भी जाते होंगे। हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव विजिट द वाटर पार्क? रेज ए हैंड्स। Okay, I was unable to see. Okay, tomorrow I will ask you again in online classes. Okay, so student, children enjoy swimming, ठीक है। स्पेशली समर डेज में स्विमिंग के लिए भी बहुत बच्चे जाते हैं, ओके, क्योंकि इन ए समर द सीजन इज सो हॉट, वेन एवर वी गेट ए टाइम वी टेक ए बाथ, ठीक है। जैसे विंटर है, विंटर में बच्चों को फोर्सफुली बोला जाता है टेक ए बाथ, बट दीज थिंग्स आर नॉट हैपन इन द समर सीजन। इन समर many times 3-4 times in a day we take a bath due to very hot temperature, due to very hot temperature, because when we take a bath then our body becomes cool। नहाने से बॉडी कूल हो जाती है ना, तो that is the reason in the summer season many times we bath in one day also, okay। So some of us go to hill station to stay away from the heat, and especially see in summer season all the schools are also closed। summer season में सारे schools close होते हैं due to hot very high temperature in this season, so all the schools are closed, so many peoples go to hill stations also, इन द टाइम ऑफ समर, ठीक है, क्योंकि जो हिल स्टेशन होते हैं बेटा वहां पे एट द टाइम ऑफ विंटर तो बहुत ज्यादा ठंड होती है, बट एट द टाइम ऑफ समर, एट दैट टाइम द वेदर इज वेरी प्लेजेंट इन दीज हिल स्टेशंस, ठीक है, बिल्कुल वैसा ही वेदर होता है, ना तो ज़्यादा ठंड होती है ना वहाँ ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है। जैसे मैंने आप लोग को स्प्रिंग सीजन बताया था ना, ना बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म होता है ना बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड होता है। तो हिल स्टेशंस में समर में वेदर ऐसा ही होता है। दैट इज द रीज़न इन समर मैनी ऑफ द पीपल विजिट टू द हिल स्टेशन। ओके, सो दिस ऑल अबाउट द summer season, and see some of the pictures are given, and specially ड्रेस में अगर बात करो तो स्पेशली वी वेयर कॉटन क्लोथ इन समर सीजन में, ठीक है, एंड वी डू नॉट we wear cotton clothes. It is also shown in the picture also, and there the picture of the fruits are also given and picture of the cold drink is also given. So when you are writing the question answers in your book, or sorry, in your classwork copy, then tick all these picture, because when question will come about different season, so you have to draw a pictures related to the different seasons. आपको different season से related pictures वहां पे बनानी होंगी, ठीक है, आपको different season से related pictures बनानी है, ठीक, तो आप इन pictures को टिक भी कर सकते हो, ठीक है। दिस ऑल अबाउट समर सीजन, ठीक है। अब देखो समर सीजन ईटिंग हैबिट्स, मैंने बोला ना समर सीजन ईटिंग, वी लव टू ड्रिंक कोल्ड ड्रिंक, आइसक्रीम, वी ईट दैट टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स विच कीप, जिन्हें हमें खाने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है, जब कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स पीते हैं उन्हें खाते नहीं है, इज इट क्लियर। और ड्यू टू लॉट ऑफ हीट हमारे बॉडी से देर इज लॉट ऑफ वाटर लॉस फ्रॉम आवर बॉडी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए स्वेट, हमारी बॉडी से बहुत पसीना होता है जब टेम्परेचर क्या ज्यादा होता है समर सीजन में। सो दैट इज द रीजन वी ड्रिंक लॉट ऑफ वाटर, ठीक है, वी ड्रिंक लॉट ऑफ वाटर इन दिस सीजन। So we drink water in the form of a cold drinks also, lemonade also, and even we eat such types of a fruits which have high percentage of water, especially watermelon, it has very high percentage of water in this fruit. So and other activities which we do in summer is that children enjoy to do swimming, children enjoy swimming in this season because the temperature is very hot. So swimming is another thing which we do in this season, and even due to lot of heat we stay inside our houses, especially in the afternoon time, especially in the afternoon time we stay inside the houses to save ourselves from the hot weather. Okay, now next thing is clothes. Now there is one, see page number 85, name any three famous hill stations of India, ठीक है, it is written you have to give the name of any three famous hill stations of India. So in your summer vacation if you have visited to any hill station, अगर कभी भी समर वेकेशन में या कभी भी आप हिल स्टेशन विजिट गए हो, घूमने गए हो, तो आप यू राइट द नेम ऑफ दैट हिल स्टेशन। अगर नहीं गए हो तो एटलस में देखो व्हाट आर द प्लेसेस वेयर वी, विच आर द प्लेसेस विच वी हैव hill stations, and then you write the name of that places here. Okay, now draw the diagram which is given on page number 86. The diagram which is given in page number 86 about summer season, you have to draw all these diagram in your classwork copy. Is it clear? And after that color it also. Okay, thank you student.